And then also what we're going to do with Drag in the kitchen, we're going to cook baccalà alla napoletana.
Absolutely.
So we're going to do baccalà with a little bit of tomato. We'll be using vine-ripe tomato, the fresh one, if you got it, because sometimes it's good to use fresh.
And part of real sweetness.
When they're on season, especially. And with very basic tomato, olives, capers, and a little bit of garlic and shallots to start the sauce. And that's how we're going to do it. You can put some potatoes if you want, but that's an option.
Okay, fantastic.
So we should go in the kitchen.
you viewers for staying tuned for this evening's program and learning about all the intricacies of Baccala, codfish. Very important part of my diet, not so much yours, Michele, from what you told us, huh?
Yeah.
But a big thank you to you for showing us these wonderful recipes. Now, Baccala Napoletano, which is always based on tomato and black olives, the staples of Naples. Le croquette, which are the little croquettes, easy to do at home, great for antipasto ideas. And also the mantecato, famous in the northern part of Italy, which is the creamed codfish to be had on crostini bread or polenta or whatever else you decide. Great for summer eating and relatively easy to do at home. So I hope you've enjoyed it. And thank you to Drago, our very ever faithful apprentice, because without you the show can never go on. And of course thank you to the lovely and beautiful Tanya, who has been with us for a long time and is always here to get that much needed glass of wine. We look forward to seeing you next week. Stay tuned because we'll be travelling to a special part of Italy with some fantastic food ideas. Buonasera.